to open the machine, as you can see right now, you have to do a couple of things. You have to remove baffle. Then we remove the coupler. There's a coupler and there's a donut here underneath it to prevent seepage of the chocolate. Once we've done that, we can open the machine all the way around from the bottom. As you can see here, we remove all the screws except for this fat screw right here. It needs to be intact, no removal. Otherwise, all of them in the bottom, which we will start right now. Once you have it done, you can open the machine from the front to back. It's like a clamp. If it doesn't open, just push it right here. That's how it opens. So once you open the machine, you have to take these clips, see what these white mounts are. Make sure you go underneath and cut these tie wrap without cutting the wire. Take that out. And take this one out, again come from underneath. Make sure you don't cut the wire. There's another one here. Cut underneath, cut it, get it out. Out. Now we need to separate the machine basically from the top. We'll take this out. We'll take this out. And we'll take this out. The motor, we separate the motor also. Sometimes they're not easy to come out. You need to maybe use a plier. These are out, this is out, this is out. Now, then move this screw out. Take it out. Once you've done this, this separates. Separate the base out. Now you take the top and this is the fan we need to replace. All you have to do is unplug it one at a time. It's unplugged. Now around. You can see here, I'm going to switch places with it. I'm a right-hander. So you go here, take it out. You see there is washers in there. See it's coming out, but I will show you once I install it. And there's two washers in here basically to make sure the levels are the same. Okay, take it out. So you don't lose any of these washers. There's so many of them. Okay, comes out like that. Once you install it, make sure the wording of the fan facing out. And you can see here, the direction of the flow is outside. See right there? One of them outside, one of them on the side. There is no such thing on the sideway. This is the outside. That's the direction of the flow. So once you do that, set it aside like this. And make sure the prongs are sitting out, facing out, like that. These two prongs. And the grill, as you can see, I put the two screws in there. And I put one washer here and washer there. And I put the guard in it. And now that's one. You gotta get the right. There we go. That's one. The other screws. And you need 2 washers on this side, like that, and done. Okay. The line is easy to put. This one is not. It's probably better. All right, all done. Now, that's the way it was. Bring the base. Before we do, let's plug these back on. It doesn't matter which one is which. There's no polarity in that. So done. Okay, that's done. Now you connect the motor. Get the harness out. You connect this motor back together. Connect this motor. Okay. You plug this in here and put that back in there with the star washer, and just one turn should be able to do it. That's done, done. Now we need to put some tie wrap, these couple of tie wraps. One here. Doesn't have to be too tight. It's good enough. One and one here. And you don't need to do this one, but we'll do it anyway. Not too tight, just loop, just a loop. And just cut the excess of it. Once you got that done, you're pretty much ready. Plug this back in. Make sure there is a riser here. It clicks with this side of the connector, and it just goes. Do not connected this way. This way only. I'm pretty much set. Now we close the machine. All right, so make sure the hole is aligned. If not, just lift it up a little bit. And don't tighten it, just leave it untight. Turn it around. Do the same thing. Make sure it's aligned. If it's not, you're gonna have to. And then just go. Make sure the holes are aligned. Done. Now we put these two parts. This is the donut, goes first, and then the coupler goes next. One. Okay, perfect. And the last one. Done. That's it.